Have you ever wanted to launch a website, but felt overwhelmed by coding, expensive developers, or complicated website builders? If so, you are not alone. For many entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, content creators, and small business owners, creating a professional website can seem like a major obstacle. That is where ClickSites AI comes into the picture. Imagine typing a simple description of your business or idea and watching artificial intelligence generate an entire website for you in minutes. No coding, no design experience, no technical headaches, just a fast, streamlined way to get online and start growing your brand. ClickSites AI is an AI-powered website creation platform designed to help users build websites quickly and efficiently. Instead of spending days or even weeks designing pages, writing content, and arranging layouts, the platform uses artificial intelligence to handle much of the heavy lifting automatically. One of the most attractive benefits of ClickSites AI is speed. Traditional website development often involves multiple tools, templates, plugins, and endless customization. With ClickSites AI, much of that process is simplified into just a few clicks. This means users can focus more on their business and less on technical details. Another major advantage is ease of use. Many website builders still require users to understand design principles, page structure, and content placement. ClickSites AI helps eliminate much of the guesswork by generating layouts and content suggestions that are designed to look professional from the start. For affiliate marketers, this can be especially valuable. Landing pages, review websites, lead generation pages, and promotional websites can be created much faster than traditional methods. The ability to launch campaigns quickly can provide a significant advantage in today's fast-moving online marketplace. Small business owners can also benefit by establishing a professional online presence without spending thousands of dollars on web development services. Whether promoting local services, selling products, or generating leads, having a website is no longer optional. It is often the first impression potential customers receive. Content creators and bloggers may appreciate the platform's ability to generate website content and structure automatically. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering where to start, users can begin with an AI-generated foundation and customize it to fit their brand. Perhaps the biggest benefit is accessibility. ClickSites AI makes website creation available to people who may have never built a website before. What once required technical expertise can now be accomplished by almost anyone willing to spend a few minutes entering information about their business or project. As artificial intelligence continues transforming online business tools, platforms like ClickSites AI are helping entrepreneurs save time, reduce costs, and get their ideas online faster than ever before. If you have been delaying your website because it seemed too difficult, too expensive, or too time-consuming, ClickSites AI may be the solution you have been waiting for. The future of website creation is becoming faster, simpler, and more accessible. And ClickSites AI is helping lead the way.